So the back is done enough for now anyway. Proof of concept is it spins. It doesn't fall apart. It's good enough for now. We have to find out how it works as a machine now. So I need to start assembling the front end. So when I took it all apart, I took it apart in as big a chunks as possible. There's some repair that needs to happen here. Some of the hardware is loose and some of the holes are worn and I have to do a little repairing. But for the most part, I'm just going to put this back on here so I can get the tire height, get it on the ground, and look at it as a unit now. This may have to come off again, like I say, to do some repairs. Another thing that gives me a chance to do is go through and just sort all the hardware, right? Make sure you have pairs of things that need pairs of things, and nuts for bolts, and everything, matching pieces of everything. So I seem to have all of that. I have what I would expect to have. So I'm just going to start putting it together. I'll see you on the other side of that. There's nothing special here. It's just putting in bolts and cleaning and lubricating and bringing it back to new. Okay.